Binance Futures is the world's leading crypto derivatives exchange, offering traders a convenient way to speculate on the price action of digital assets. Futures contracts are capital efficient because traders get an excellent return profile without risking a significant amount of capital. Still, a robust risk management strategy is required to mitigate the high volatility in the cryptocurrency market and become a successful futures trader. Binance Future Trading derivatives contracts enable traders to benefit from price fluctuations by going long, buying low and selling high, or shorting, selling high and buying low. In this video, we'll explain how you can get started with Binance Futures and join more than 29 million active traders today. Kindly follow all guides in this video to open your first cryptocurrency trading account. Go to Binance and click register in the top right corner of the page if you don't already have an account there. Choose to sign up with phone or email, continue with Apple, or continue with Google. Click sign up with phone or email address. Typed in your email address. Make sure your email address is correctly typed. Choose a secret password mixed with uppercase letter, characters and numbers, and your password must be longer in length of 16. Check the two rectangular box before clicking on Create an Account button. Check your email address inbox to copy the code sent from Binance. Enter your email verification code sent to your email you use in signing up. Check your email to copy the code and paste it on the Binance page and click on Submit. After entering the code sent to your email to the Open Account page, you can now access your dashboard. Make sure you browse through your dashboard to check other trading service offered by Binance, including method of deposit. To view Binance Futures, click on Derivatives and Binance Futures Overview in your Binance dashboard. Browse through the Binance Futures webpage to know different margin being offered. Click on Open Account in the pop-up to open your first Binance Futures account before you can start trading it. Wait for the page to load. On the right-hand side, we can see that it started loading all order types same way as spot trading. In the pop-up quiz box, you need to check to answer all quiz questions before you can start trading Binance Futures. Oops, sorry, not that one. Please note that you must verify your identity to unlock all the fantastic features that Binance offers. Go to Binance, click Profile Identification. Make sure you've selected your residential country or region and click Start Now. You'll be asked to fill in your personal information. Provide a government-issued ID, pass the facial recognition test, submit proof of address, and answer a simple questionnaire. Before making your first trade on Binance Futures, you need to deposit fiat or cryptocurrencies. To deposit fiat, go to Binance and click Buy Crypto at the top left corner of the page. Select the currency and the method of how you'd like to make your first deposit. Click Continue and follow the instructions. To deposit cryptocurrencies, go to Binance and click Wallet Fiat and Spot at the top right corner of the page. Click Deposit at the top center of the page. Select the coin you'd like to deposit into your Binance account. Choose between the available network and follow the instructions. Please note that you'd have to transfer funds to your Binance Futures wallet to make your first crypto derivatives trade. To do so, go to Binance and click Wallet Futures. Click Transfer, select the coin, enter the amount you'd like to transfer to your Binance Futures wallet, and click Confirm. To make your first trade on Binance Futures, go to Binance Futures and choose between USDM and CoinM Futures contracts. Subscribe and enable alerts to start getting daily signals from our channel. Select the futures contract pair based on the daily signal we drop on our channel. Compare price chart to the signal we drop with your Binance page to identify potential trading setups based on signals or any technical indicator available on Binance Futures. Select the margin mode, which we drop in this signal video. Choose between cross and isolated, and click Confirm based on our instructions. Then, you need to adjust leverage and click Confirm. Please note that using high leverage carries high risks and shouldn't be done without a robust risk management strategy. Learn more about leverage. Select type of order price size. Toggle the TPSL feature to set up your take profit and stop loss orders, and choose between a buy long or sell short position. Trade according to the signal instructions.